Hello everyone, welcome to Olympics Sportscast. And today we have with us a very special guest, Mr. Arjun Pandit. And so he is known, basically, as a known face to each and every sports fan, and has been in this business, this like sports broadcasting industry for more than a decade now. So I think there is
He's
no
old.
more introduction needed, sir.
Huh?
First of all, I from Olympics, Rishabh, would like to thank you. And actually, this is like, I'm really grateful to you for taking time out and having this chat with us, being candid with us. And
Hmm.
so, welcome to the show, sir. How are you? And hope you all are
Thank you
doing
so much.
fine and safe.
All good यार ऋषभ, इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं भाई. हम वेले लोग हैं and we are वेला ऑफ टॉप कैटेगरी के वेले हैं हम. तो आपके इस चैट से पहले मैं अपनी बेटी के साथ खेल ही रहा था. And I said, listen, I have to go in for a chat now. So my wife gave me those looks that okay, I'm covering you for half an hour. कि इसके बाद you will be back on the job, क्योंकि non-stop बेटी के साथ वो उस एज में है. She's learning
Right.
how to walk right now, so she's
Okay.
all over the house. But other than that, look forward to it, man. Thank you so much for having me. I was going through your page. It seems like a
Yeah.
really nice page for anyone who's interested in sports. और आप अभी बता रहे थे कि आप कहानी समझाना चाहते हैं स्पोर्ट्स की through a different lens. And just the fact that your thought is there, it means you'll get there. क्योंकि आधे लोग मैं जो देखता हूँ ना स्पोर्ट्स में जो स्टोरी टेलिंग करना चाहते हैं, they don't know how they want to present it. तो जी बता देंगे, स्टोरी है, बता देंगे, चलो. फिर घुमा फिरा के आप उसी चक्की में घुसते हो जिसमें हर कोई घुस रहा है और पिस रहा है. So the key is to find your difference. It's like a friend of mine, he recently wanted to do a podcast on football, and जनाब ने बस फार्म हाउस में खेलते हैं दिल्ली में, he loves Arsenal and all of that. He's that kind of a European football fan.
Yeah.
And he said, so we'll just 4 guys will sit together and we'll chat sport and all that. I said, okay, but what's your takeaway? So the key is that कि जो आपकी बातें सुन रहा है, जो आपका content देख रहा है, what is he taking away? Yeah. And he said, नहीं हम तो बस फुटबॉल की बात करेंगे. I said, जनाब फिर 3 लोग से ज्यादा कोई देखेगा नहीं. एक आपकी माँ, एक आपकी बीवी और एक मैं आ जाऊंगा देखने के लिए. उसके अलावा कोई देखने नहीं वाला. So in sports you have to be so specific with what you want the people to see and what you wanted to come across. So, and that first sort of step is knowing what you want them to see. And since you know that first step, then I'm guessing it won't be too tough for you guys.
Thank you very much. Wise words from Arjun sir, and believe us that we will go a long way.
All the best.
तो सर शुरुआत करते हैं. तो
हाँ जी.
जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि we don't want to get into again a very standard pattern, but to begin with there is a standard question because it is fascinating to me. How and when did this journey actually begin for you, or like what kind of events led to this? And like the context of the question is कि बॉस अपन को जिंदगी में कभी ऐसे नहीं पता था कि इस तरीके से स्पोर्ट्स में जाना, और इंटरेस्ट जैसे होता है ना कि सबका रहता है, लेकिन वो फिगर आउट कर लेना कि यार लाइक दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस प्लेसेस वेयर यू वांट टू बी.
Yeah, true.
A bit about that.
Yeah, that's a good question, yeah, because अगर आप देखो स्पोर्ट्स ब्रॉडकास्टिंग, लाइक हर किसी का चैनल है. बैंकर बनना है तो ऐसे घुसना है, आपने कुछ करना है तो आपने ऐसे घुसना है. हर किसी का चैनल है. You get into that channel and you get into sports broadcasting. It's such a ambiguous channel. और कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ, किसको पकड़ूं. घुमा फिरा के लोग कहते हैं मास कॉम करो. मास कॉम करने के बाद आप एक स्पोर्ट्स चैनल को पकड़ो and start working your way up through a sports channel, because कैमरे पे आना तो बहुत ही दूर की बात है, राइट? कि आधे से ज्यादा लोग जो मेरे को सोशल मीडिया पे बात करते हैं, जो लड़के जैसे आप कहते हो कि स्पोर्ट्स इज अ यूनिवर्सल थिंग. जो भी नौजवान लौंडा है वो बड़ा होता है, या जो भी हैं वो बड़े होकर देखते हैं कि मुझे खेलना है, मुझे स्पोर्ट्स की बातें करनी है. सो दे आस्क हाउ कैन वी वर्क फॉर अ चैनल, हाउ कैन वी प्रेजेंट लाइक यू फॉर अ चैनल. एंड आई ऑनेस्टली डोंट हैव अ क्लियर आंसर. And it's not because I'm trying to be arrogant or I'm trying to be evasive, but there is no clear answer. There is no clear answer for it. It's not like you go to a finishing school or from that finishing school आपको भेजेंगे internship के लिए, anything like that. So the only answer is mass comm करो, media करो, find a way to a channel. Even if it's not a sports channel, find your way to a normal channel, a news channel. I would suggest always start with a news channel, क्योंकि वहाँ पे होती है रगड़ाई. स्पोर्ट्स चैनल में अगर आप पहले ही शुरू करोगे ना, वो थोड़ा प्रिविलेज्ड काइंड ऑफ जॉब है, बिकॉज देन यू आर गोइंग स्पेसिफिक, राइट, एंड यू आर वर्किंग अराउंड स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट्स। पर पहले रगड़ाई करना जिंदगी में बहुत जरूरी है। रगड़ाई का मतलब आप डेडलाइन पे चल रहे हो, यू आर वर्किंग ऑन क्लोज टू 5-6 डेडलाइंस इन अ डे। शो है 3 बजे का, शो है 4 बजे का, शो है 5 बजे का, सो फॉर एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू कीप गेटिंग एवरीथिंग रेडी, एंड इफ यू स्क्रू अप, इट्स ऑल लाइव, इट्स नॉट प्री रिकॉर्डिंग। सर फिर से हो गया जनाब, लग गए आपके,
लग
हाँ?
गए।
So you learn from there. That is what happened with me as well. Mine was a little different. I grew up with ambitions of only wanting to play. भगवान ने थोड़ा talent दिया था पैरों में, so I don't know, I was lucky. My only interest in life at the time was playing football. So I played school level football, I played college level football, then I played आपका जैसे क्रिकेट में रणजी होता है, I played Santosh Trophy for Delhi. Then I said club level football खेलते हैं, because I was interested in playing club level football. I got a chance to go to Goa and to play for a club called Salgaonkar. वहाँ पे असलियत बाहर आ गई, तो I was nowhere close to those boys. But I spent a year there. I understood what it goes to be a professional player, and I realized कि talent बहुत छोटी चीज़ है दोस्त। जब आप घुसते हो ना टीम में, talent तो बहुत पीछे है। ये आता है सबसे पहले, इसको मजबूत करना होता है, और जो यहाँ से मजबूत होगा, he can, then of course endure the long run and those hard days ahead to make yourself that. As luck would have it, I realized I wasn't good enough. Then I came back thinking I'll play a little more in the Delhi League, which is an amateur level league. And मेरे मन में मैंने बना लिया था कि मैं स्पोर्ट्स खेल नहीं पाऊंगा, तो चलो जी अब पढ़ाई करते हैं, क्योंकि मैं 22-23 साल का हो गया था तब तक, और मेरे बाबा थक गए थे। वो कह रहे थे यार हमने तेरे को बहुत लीवे दिया है, they were actually really nice that way. They gave me a lot of leeway to pursue sports, to play sports. They said it's about time you go and study something, because it'll get too late to get into a job then. And so जो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा वेला होता है, वो ढूंढता है MBA की डिग्री फ्रॉम अब्रॉड, फ्रॉम अ एम्बिगुअस अननोन कॉलेज। हाँ जी, तो हमें जिसे कोई नहीं बुलाता, उसे वो बाहर का बुलाता है पैसों के लिए। So they were calling me, and I got a college degree. मतलब a college was calling me, and one day before leaving, I decided to play my final game in Delhi, a football game. वहाँ पे जाके I tore my ACL ligaments in my knee in that game. I couldn't walk. पैर इतना गुब्बारा सा बन जाता है, you can't walk, and it required surgery. So that trip got tarlowed. By the time that trip got tarlowed, I started thinking, what am I doing? Because I don't want to be working in a bank, or I don't want to be doing an MBA kind of job. All my life I've been around sports, so I need to do something to pursue sports. हार के I mustered up the courage, told my family, I said, I can't do this. Please can this. And let's try finding the next best thing, which is to talk sports. And at that time, I had one advantage, that I knew Indian football. So there was a channel called Z Sports who had made a foray into Indian football. They wanted to glamorize it, like what they're trying to do with ISL right now. And they were looking for people who know the game and can talk about the game. So my father found someone who works in Z Sports. उन्होंने कहा जी इस लड़के को ले लो, इसको कुछ पैसे नहीं देने मत दो, ये सीख लेगा. He's not done any mass comm, nothing. And they brought me on only because I had played. So I knew a little bit of the insides of कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन अच्छा player है, क्या है वो है. So relationships थे मेरे. And वहाँ से my journey began into sports broadcasting. On camera also was by design, not by design, it was by luck. If you've heard of Novi Kabadia, Novi Kabadia is a big time football expert, as someone who's been covering the game for a long time. And Mayanti Langer was hosting a show with him. And Novi So was supposed to come for a show. He got stuck somewhere. They said, हमारे पास बंदा नहीं है. उन्होंने मेरे को देखा, उन्होंने कहा ये बंदा तो खेला हुआ है, शर्ट पहनाओ इसको, इस्त्री करके शर्ट पहनाओ और बिठा दो वहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट की तरह. I did it for 2 days. They liked what they saw, and then they started pushing me as a presenter. और फिर वहाँ से गाड़ी आगे बढ़ते गई है, and it's been more than, like you said, more than a decade on camera, and still loving it. And to be fair, I'm just getting started. सच बताऊं तो यही है कि टाइम लगता है भाई इसमें. कहानी तो अभी शुरू हुई है,
लेकिन भी मतलब भी एंजॉय यू. मतलब मैं अब क्रिकेट का तो मैं मतलब हम भक्त क्रिकेट के थे, लेकिन जब आपको अब देखना चालू किया ना, तो एक कॉम्प्रिहेंड करते हैं यार, क्योंकि हम एज अ फैन भी सिर्फ क्रिकेटर्स के नहीं, अपन एक्सपर्ट्स के भी बन जाते हैं यार, ये आदमी सही बात कर रहा है, हमको जो सही लग रही है ये आदमी. तो वो मैंने है ना, जब आई गॉट टू नो दैट I'll be given this opportunity to have this chat with you, तो मैंने कहा ये मैं बात बोल दूंगा, मेरा फैन मूवमेंट भी कर दूंगा मैं कि यार नहीं मजा तो आया मेरे को देखने में, सीन यू ऑन स्टार, आई सीन यू ऑन जी आल्सो
थैंक यू सो
बिफोर.
मच.
So it is like the actually not only the content, it's also the way you present it. The
The
communication
vibe,
you're building. हाँ,
the vibe, भाई, the vibe, the key
the
is
vibe.
vibe. लोग बताऊं क्या है, एक एक चीज भूल जाते हैं ऋषभ कि आप ना ठीक है, आप सही बात सुनने आए हो, वो ये खेल रहा है, वो वह खेल रहा है, पर अगर मैं वही बात आपको एक किताब की तरह सुनाऊंगा ना मैं, तो
हाँ,
आपने ये बंद करना चैनल, कपिल शर्मा शो खोल देना आपने, वहाँ पे
हाँ,
खत्म, थैंक यू, बाय बाय. पर अगर मैं बंदे की तरह मजे लाऊंगा, मैं फील लाऊंगा, जो
हाँ,
सामने बड़ा एक्सपर्ट है उसके भी फील लाऊंगा और उससे थोड़ा खुल के बात करवाऊंगा, एंड ट्रस्ट मी दैट वाइब, the onus of that vibe is only on me. So if
right,
you see a show
true,
which is
हाँ,
dead serious, right, and there are 3 cricketers and 1 anchor, right, then that responsibility, that show being dead, is with the anchor.
with the
But
anchor.
if the anchor is vibrant, that vibe will spread with all the other 3 guys and everyone will
True.
pick it up. So that's the key. The vibe is so important, and the vibe is manufactured. The vibe doesn't come naturally. It's something
Naturally,
you
you have to
manufacture.
build on it.
Yeah,
Thank you for
yeah.
that insight, यार. I'll take the note and keep on doing
I'll
it.
tell you, show से पहले, like there are 2 phases. So when I used to anchor at NDTV, वो कहते हैं ना, it's the same thing with sports. If you feel free, मन में कोई भार नहीं है, that
Right,
pressure, performance नहीं है, तो आप खुल के खेलते हो. You express yourself. क्रिकेट में एक
right.
टर्म है ना, express yourself. They are
Express
expressing
yourself.
themselves. It's become like a bogey word कि सर आज खेल
हाँ,
नहीं पाए, और they couldn't express themselves. Oh, अच्छा जी,
हाँ,
express नहीं कर पाए.
आज दिन
But
नहीं था.
it's true, आज दिन नहीं था. Um, there I used to really enjoy myself. माहौल बड़ा अच्छा था. So I used to try very weird things as a news anchor. Generally, if you see news anchors, they don't भटकते नहीं है ज़्यादा काम से. जो पढ़ रहे हैं, खटाक निकला, पढ़ा, खटाक निकला. मैं थोड़ा भटकने की कोशिश करता था अपने आप. कुछ मैंने cheap type dialogue मार दिया, कोई गंदा joke मार दिया, कुछ कर दिया, but I used to keep trying. Then I came to Star Sports, and for some reason I got overawed in the first 2-3 years, because ये जो आप अभी हिंदी सुन रहे हो, ये
हाँ,
बड़ी नेचुरली नहीं आती भाई मेरे को. मैं आई वाज फ्रॉम दैट पब्लिक स्कूल काइंड ऑफ बॉय कि हमको हिंदी नहीं आता, थोड़ा थोड़ा हमको हिंदी आता है. तो ये ठोकर मार के कैमरे पे अब हिंदी थोड़ी खुल के निकल रही है. एंड देयर, बट देन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज आई वाज सो टेंस कि मेरी हिंदी ठीक निकले, मैं क्रिकेट की ठीक बातें करूं,
बातें
ऑल ऑफ
करूँ.
दैट. somehow my vibe, the vibe went missing.
Right.
So
वो
what
हो जाता है.
I just realized कि अब शो से पहले 2-3 hours I don't do any I don't read about the subject, क्योंकि अगर
Okay.
उस टाइम पे आपको पढ़ना है तो फायदा नहीं है दोस्त, आप
फायदा नहीं,
अनप्रिपेयर्ड.
आप
हाँ,
एग्जाम के
उस
लास्ट में
3
पढ़
घंटे मैं भोंपू चलाता हूँ अपना म्यूजिक का, डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक. मैं अभी बताता हूँ, इन दिस ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज सुबह सुबह 4:30 का शो होता था
हाँ,
सोनी में. So we had to get into work by 3:30. You start getting ready by 4, right? ड्रेसिंग रूम में जहीर खान है मेरे साथ, मुरली कार्तिक है, एंड we are sharing one dressing room. Virinder Sehwag is also there, and दूसरे ड्रेसिंग रूम में अजय जडेजा is there, अगरकर, अजीत अगरकर is there, संजय मंजरेकर is there. सडनली मैंने गया, मैं अपना स्पीकर लेके जाता था और डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक डिक चिक चल रहा है. सडनली सारे ड्रेसिंग रूम से सब आगे क्रिकेटर्स, डिक चिक सब शर्ट वर्ट पहन के तैयार होके तयो जी अंदर. हालांकि सब 2-2 घंटे की नींद पे चल रहे हैं, but
हाँ,
that vibe pulls you for those next 20-30 minutes, and then you push
एनर्जी.
through.
हाँ,
Yeah, बहुत जरूरी है एनर्जी, बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है.
तो आपने ये जो माहौल अभी बताया कि सुबह 3:30 बजे 4 बजे आप लोग दिक चिक. तो डेफिनेटली मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन इसी पे है कि हाउ इज द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ वर्किंग विद दीज लेजेंडरी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, एंड डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स को आप कवर किए होंगे ओवर द टाइम. जैसे अभी आप थोड़ा मतलब अपन क्रिकेट ओरिएंटेड तो इंडिया है नेशन, तो वो रहेगा ही. एंड तो उन क्या इंसाइट्स है कि मतलब क्या माहौल, किस तरीके से आपका एक्सपीरियंस बिल्डअप हुआ? कुछ फनी इंसिडेंट या कुछ बैंटर्स हुए हो, ओपिनियन डिबेट्स?
बहुत होते हैं यार. सी जहाँ भी आप जाओगे ना, कोई फ्री का टिकट नहीं देगा भाई. यू हैव टू अर्न योर स्ट्राइप्स. हाँ, मैं फुटबॉल का बंदा था. I've sort of grown up in football. I've done my honing up on my skills in football. So everyone in the football circuit knows me from before.
True.
So एक होता है, ओ ये अर्जुन आ रहा है, ठीक है, अच्छा इंटरव्यू जाएगा, he knows what he's talking about. So straight away जिससे आप बातें कर रहे हो उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी रिलैक्स्ड, because he trusts you. That trust element is very important when you're having a conversation. You have a good conversation, right? सडनली मैं गया क्रिकेट में इन्होंने किसी ने मेरे को देखा नहीं है, ऊपर से ये देख रहे हैं ये ऊ ई की मात्रा गलतियां करे जा रहे हैं शो पे, ठीक है, ऊपर से मैं गलत नंबर ठोक रहा था। आई टेल यू अ जोक, आई कीप ऑन सेइंग इट एवरीवेयर। मैं आकाश चोपड़ा एक शो कर रहे थे और there's मनीष पटाविया who is working with Sony as a commentator right now. Live show था, I was really bad with numbers, I still am. India was all out at 179 in a test match. तो मैं रट के गया था कि 179 पे टीम होगी ऑल आउट, और मैं रट के गया था। आ गया जी ग्राफिक मेरे सामने, मैं भूल गया और लाइव शो चल रहा है, पर मैं उनको जाने ना दूं, मैंने कहा मैं बोल के रहूंगा। तो रिस्पॉन्स कैसा हुआ, टू सिंक और स्विम वाला रिस्पॉन्स होता है ना दैट टाइम। आई सेड भारत 180 से सिर्फ 1 रन से चूक गई और आकाश चोपड़ा गिर गया। भाई वो कह रहा भाई ये कौन सा बड़ा स्कोर बना दिया उन्होंने यहाँ पे, ये तो गंदा स्कोर है, you're making it sound like ऐसा पता नहीं क्या, पर एटलीस्ट चले गया, बचा लिया दैट वे, बच गया in the moment. But so in cricket I had to earn my stripes there. I was very raw. I started off, I was lucky with the people at Star that they understood that, so they give me time. They didn't straight away thrust me into the main shows. They started me by going to stadiums to talk to fans. So the familiarity comes across. So जो cricketer भी है उसने भी आपको कहीं देखा है टीवी पे, तो कहेगा अच्छा ये तो वो बंदा है, चलो आओ let's chat, because that is the biggest platform for sports in the country. You could call it also amongst the biggest platform for sports in the world. Our cricket viewing audience, Hindi. Sir, both numbers are there. You can match them to the world, to what's happening world over. So so it's a lot of people having their trust in you, putting their faith in you, and eventually you वो गधा घोड़ा बनने वाली बात होती है, कि ठोकर मार के stories are a lot of stories. These guys are really good guys, man. And the thing is, their quality as a sportsman always shows wherever they are. They can आंख बंद करके वो गेम अगर देखेंगे भी नहीं वो शो कर सकते हैं, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा उसने गेम नहीं देखा है, क्योंकि वो आदमी फील्ड में इतना टाइम से रहा है। But the quality of a broadcaster is one who works on his skills in broadcasting. So if you're a cricketer, it doesn't mean you're a good broadcaster. You have to work on those skills. And to commentate the way they do, your grasp on the language has to be really good. Especially in today's day and age, कुछ गलत बोल दिया, बंदे ने पकड़ के सोशल मीडिया पे डाल दिया, हवा बन गया, and it's running its own spiral, after that. So I have immense credit for all these guys. After achieving what they've done, they still work on their craft. I've seen Zahir Khan works in his Hindi. Mohammad Kaif always has notes. वो notes बना रहा होता है, he's always making notes, Kaif bhai. Sanjay Manjrekar is the ultimate broadcaster. He's always working. You were asking me, Sanjay is the one guy, I call him Sanjay sir, I don't know why I'm saying Sanjay. But the thing is, he's not afraid to voice his opinion. So if someone is his friend, and I'm sure all these people know each other, all these cricketers, but if he doesn't like how he's playing, if he doesn't like how it's doing it for the team, he'll put it out there. He'll say it. Not everyone will do that, but he's one of those guys who will do it. And you got to respect him for doing that, because that's what the medium demands, that you be honest with your opinion. That's what you're paying them the big bucks for. So yeah, I mean, all of them have their own talent. Like Viru Bhai is a complete, he is just like he was on the field. So what he says, what he does, he doesn't prepare. In fact, he will challenge you. So वो जानते हैं कि इसकी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है, तो कभी-कभी मैंने गलत शब्द बोल दिए या गलत स्पॉन्सर नाम्स ले लिए, तो आप तो मेरा चेहरे दे रहे हो टीवी पे, पर दूर से वीरू भाई लुकिंग एट मी, कभी-कभी ही इज गिविंग रॉन्ग स्पॉन्सर नेम्स टू मी ताकि मैं गलत बोल दूं, and then he looks away like that, पर तो ये याराना चलता रहता है, क्योंकि स्पोर्ट्समैन है भाई, वो तो बदलते तो है नहीं लोग।
वो तो
and when you bring 15-20 of these guys together, वो पुरानी किस्से, पुरानी कहानियां फिर शुरू हो जाती हैं उनकी, and the take off.
वीरेंद्र सहवाग का तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग सब जब ऐसे फैन देख रहे होते हैं, पढ़ रहे होते हैं, फॉलो कर रहे होते हैं, तो दिख जाता है कि मस्त मौला वो बिंदास पना जो है ना, जो ऑन फील्ड दिखता था, वो रिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा है यहाँ पे भी।
सेम, एग्जैक्टली द सेम।
So just to follow up now, because now this business, again, it's a new thing, it's a broadcasting thing. You are communicating some information to the consumer out there, जो 101% आप पे विश्वास करेगा। वो हम वही होता है, मैं फैन हूँ, मैं देखूंगा आपको, आप जो बोल रहे हो मैं उस पर विश्वास करता हूँ। तो
टीवी पे आ रहा है, टीवी पे आ रहा है तो यू
टीवी
बिलीव
पे
कर
आ
रहा है,
रहा
यू
है,
थिंक ये
टीवी
थिंक पढ़ा लिखा है, ओहो
पढ़ा
हाँ।
लिखा है, हाँ। तो ये लाइक हाउ टू प्रोवाइड दैट बेस्ट नॉलेज एंड कमेंट्स अबाउट द गेम, एंड ऑन फॉलोइंग अप दिस कि कितना डिफरेंट होता है कि कवरिंग इट फ्रॉम अ ग्राउंड ऑन फील्ड
हम्म,
vis-a-vis द फ्रॉम द स्टूडियो,
या
तो वो कितना अलग हो जाता है।
फर्स्ट फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चन, जो आप कह रहे हो ना प्रेपरेशन,
हम्म
जो रट्टाबाजी वाली प्रिपरेशन होती है, कि जी गेम आ रहा है 3 दिन में, तो जितनी भी उन्होंने किया है आर्टिकल्स पढ़ लो, जो भी है वो ठीक है, बट इट्स वेरी लिमिटेड प्रिपरेशन. The
ओके
only way to prepare for what you're talking about is a very
हम्म
simple thing, that every day read up on what's happening in the world of cricket. Every day
राइट
understand who's playing who, who's scoring what. If you make it a habit, right? If you
राइट
make it a habit, it's not much to be honest. But you know, because the thing is, show पे क्या होता है? How do I give the conversations more depth than just saying कि आज कैसा खेला?
हाँ
More depth can also be कि 5 दिन बाद तो ये कुछ और कर रहा था, आज ये ऐसा कर रहा है. Suddenly the conversation changes. Suddenly they bring in the other factors, right? So that only comes with habit and regularity.
राइट
You have to be true to your craft. You have to be able to watch the games. If there are games happening,
हम्म
you watch the World Test Championship final. If it's going up till 11 o'clock at night, you sit up and watch the entire World Test Championship final, and you make those mental notes in your head. You
राइट
try reading a few articles. I'm not saying कि सब कुछ चेप लो, but try picking and choosing what you want to read, what you don't want to read, so that you have it at the back of your head. जो रट्टाबाजी मैं पहले करता था वो नहीं चलता. रट्टाबाजी clogs your brain completely, so you
बिल्कुल
can't
राइट
think. You know, so इस मीडियम में रट्टाबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं चलता. I've seen so many people who come with dreams of being on camera, but they've never really had sports in them. But you know कि ये भी एक सोच है कि भाई बोल सकता है, दिखने में ठीक है, ट्राई कर लो,
हाँ
बट वो रट्टा मार के आते हैं. और वहां पे अगर एक्सपर्ट ने आपको गुगली मारी, आप तो फंस गए. I've seen
yep,
so many people drown like that. So it's all about habit and regularity. The other part being on stadium and ground, and it's a conversation we have amongst ourselves also. So many of
हाँ
us, when I used to with other presenters and everything, ground पे जो energy आती है, that can't be matched.
हाँ
Just can't be matched. As soon as you're on ground, you hear woof, 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 everything. You just pick up on your own, right? And that
true
energy transfers onto the expert on the show. Though the disadvantage of ground is that जो कान में लगाते हैं in ear,
हाँ
which is basically your communication device with the producer, who is the person who's running the show, who's devised the flow of the show. That we will spend so much time here, we will spend so much time here, and it's all fluid. So
राइट
say he's given
हाँ
5 minutes to a conversation, and he sees this conversation is going well beyond 5 minutes, and we should stick on it. Then वो वहाँ पे while you're chatting, he's dropping other things, saying कि अच्छा
ओके
मैं यहाँ से 3 मिनट हटा रहा हूँ. You continue. So a good producer will always look at it like a good viewer. कि because see, हम चार जो बात कर रहे हैं, ये इंसान की ये नसीहत है कि जो वो काम कर रहा है उसको लगता है सबसे बढ़िया काम कर रहा है.
हाँ
सिर्फ बाहर वाला जो देख के देखता है ना, वो आपको बता सकता है कि
बता
असल में
सकता है
असली काम है कि नहीं. तो वो प्रोड्यूसर का काम है. प्रोड्यूसर
राइट
व्यूअर की तरह देखता है, तो वो कहता है भाई ये बहुत ज्यादा एक ही चीज पे लगे हो, आगे बढ़ो. सो इन द ग्राउंड समटाइम्स दैट वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर.
ओके
Sometimes the wiring is not right. You know, these are normal things. Sometimes the internet
राइट
is not strong.
हाँ
So this is where you need to be prepared. कि and I've done many of these shows कि आवाज चलेगी, you don't know. So then what you do? Then you take over as captain
राइट
until they fix it. एक बारी मुझे याद है, I was doing रांची में टेस्ट था, इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जब चेतेश्वर पुजारा ने प्लॉट ले लिया था वहां पे पिच के बीच में ही. इतनी
ओके
इतनी गेंदबाजी कराई उनसे, वो
हाँ
पागल हो गए थे बेचारे. And I think they bowled an entire day and a half without getting a wicket. So I
हाँ
was doing the show afterwards with Brett Lee, and it just so happened just 2 minutes before going on air, or a minute before going on air, this went right. So मेरी on field जो producer थी, because we were connecting it via Bombay.
ओके
Bombay में studio है, studio हो रहा है, I was on ground with Brett. She quickly used her brains. She got herself on a phone with the producer in Bombay. She had placards, right?
राइट
As soon as she would
हाँ
say move, so she would I knew that, I mean, there was no specific this thing, but you have to talk about the game. As she was saying next, she would pick up a placard saying move, move,
No.
She would pick up a placard, she would write something else. So she had like about 7-8 white papers, placards तो नहीं, उसने
Okay. हाँ,
notebook के, और वो
समझ
मेरे
गया.
सामने दिखाई जा रही है मुझे ऐसे. So
Okay.
you pick that up and you start moving around. So life is all about you will always sink in life. You can never be prepared, right? You can't go in thinking कि यार मैं तो रट्टा मार के आ गया, वो सब कुछ होके आ गया है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. बुड़म वहीं गाड़ी गिरेगी. And you will always have to swim out of it. That is the
True.
quality of a good presenter. So, but at studio की आपने बात की, studio में all these things are not there.
Right.
Studio has its own vibe. Studio has its own vibe. But it's not the same energy like the ground. But in the studio, at least you're hearing everything clearly. Whatever stories or interviews are running, you're hearing everything clearly. So if I'm coming back from an interview, I know which point to highlight. कि उसने ये बोला है. And then probably have a conversation with you. Ground पे शायद मेरे को सुनाई भी ना दे. So I'm just randomly guessing and going into that. दोनों अलग हैं, but दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा मजेदार हैं. But if you ask me, I would always pick ground, despite all the hindrances that happened on the ground.
So it's like on the spot, on the fleek up, how to pick up. So wo ground mein you have to be like well prepared. It's a dynamic thing. Anything can go wrong, and you just prepare
anything
for
can
it.
go wrong. And you're the only guy who knows broadcast. So it is your job. You are the channel's face. So it is your job to do it.
Like
if you sink, if you sink, you sink. So I'll tell you, अभी Euros चल रहे थे. Denmark में that player got a heart attack, cardiac arrest. Christian Eriksen, and it's such a, for 20 minutes they were there on visuals, and they didn't know what was happening with the boy, and it's such a tough space to talk on, right?
Right.
They came back to studio, and the poor anchor was trembling. You could see he was trembling, right? Obviously, so he couldn't swim at that time. He was trembling. So and then he started repeating himself. We wish him all the very best. We hope he recovers, right? These are all signs you can pick off when you're watching it at home. So if you had to swim, suddenly you shift the topic to say, okay, it's good, medical facilities are there. It's good nowadays, the medical facilities have grown so much from the last 20 years. So there's a conversation, it's gone on, right? And by then another 15-20 minutes, you'll get confirmation. Because if as an anchor, if I am sinking, believe you me, जो सामने मेरा expert है वो भी डूबेगा, बस वही है. तो डुबाना नहीं है भाई, हम तैरने वाले बंदे हैं और तैरते ही रहना है हमने.
ये बिल्कुल सही बात की आपने. Moving on from here to a part where you actually talked about the producers being on the, like online, communicating to you. There are people mediating. So, like, what kind of freedom do you have to speak your heart and mind out? Or just say
freedom in what sense? Like,
when you're conversing or when you are speaking about a match, like you did mention about Sanjay Manjrekar being that upfront. This is something which I believe in. This is something which I have an opinion about the match, which something went wrong or something went really good. So ये मेरा opinion और मैं ये camera पे रखना चाहता हूँ. So how much controlled that knowledge is?
It's a fine line. It's a very fine line. To say कि मैं जी खुल के बोलता हूँ जो भी मुझे बोलता है, it's not fair. It's not true. I might have an opinion, but my job is, I think one needs to understand what your job is. And sometimes क्या होता है ना कि as an anchor हम सोचते हैं कि लोग हमारा opinion लेने आ रहे हैं. हमारा opinion नहीं लेने आ रहे दोस्त. वो उन लोगों का opinion सुनने आ रहे हैं जो 3 मेरे सामने खड़े हुए हैं वहाँ पे. मेरा job है to get their opinions out.
Right.
And to get their honest opinions about. Right. Because they are being employed by the channel to say, come give us an honest assessment of the game because you have played here. You have gone through these situations in the past on your own. My job is not to give an opinion on that. My job is to enhance that opinion or to further intellectualize that opinion, right? So the same चीज, like I said, कि अगर किसी चीज पे बात हो कि जी अभी कुछ हुआ है मुद्दा और मुद्दे पे डिस्कशन हो रही है, I as an anchor should know कि जी 5 साल पहले भी ऐसा मुद्दा हुआ था, तब ऐसे रिएक्शन हुआ था, तब ये बातें हुई थी, तो जमाना बदल गया है. That's basically the way of taking the conversation forward, rather than making a stale conversation. मुझे ये पसंद नहीं, मुझे ये अच्छा है. वो तो ठीक है भाई, ये तो कोई भी करवा देगा.
तो पता ही
मुझे
है.
ये पसंद, ये अच्छा है कि आगे भी बढ़ो ना, तब एक evolved conversation होगी आपकी. रही बात, if I will never ever on air say कि ये क्या खेल रहा है. I will never ever on air say कि क्या किया उन्होंने. I will try to get the expert to say that. कि आपको कैसा लगा, आपको क्या लगा. सर अपना काम नहीं है, हम नहीं क्रिकेटर हैं. उनके साथ बैठते हैं, उनके साथ बातचीत करते हैं, पर इसका मतलब ये नहीं है भूलो कि हम भी गली वाले ही बंदे हैं. हमने कुछ वो एक्सपर्ट वो है नहीं. So you have to stay true to your craft in that way. Because when you cross that line, na, channel वाले सबसे पहले पकड़ लेते हैं कि क्या कर रहे हो भाई? This is not the way it should be. A good anchor always maintains that line and doesn't cross over that line, but he's always hovering around that line. And रही बात prompter या जो कहते हैं ना teleprompter,
वो teleprompter आता है,
वो नहीं होता दोस्त, खुल के बोल रहे होते हैं हम लोग, जो उस टाइम पे फंबल हुआ तो हुआ, हाँ, तो
लाइव चल रहा है,
प्रॉब्लम। मेरा रूल काफी सिंपल है, काफी लोगों का अलग है। अगर वो फंबल करते हैं then they say apologies or they act like there's no fumble. If I fumble, I'll make a joke on myself there and then. ठीक है भाई, इंसान है हम, जो आपको देख रहा है वो भी बैठ के इंसान है। वो कौन सा कोई इंग्लिश ऑनर्स का 100 out of 100 लेके आया है, वो समझता है कि इंसान फंबल करता है।
Right.
So why cut out that human quality from a chat? Sometimes I feel the only problem, and I feel where we need to evolve, is that on camera we tend to feel, because we're all suited and booted, baal bane hue, makeup, sab kuch is looking very nice, so everything should be perfect,
right.
Don't let go of that human touch, because it's in that human quality is where you'll connect with the viewer, sir.
Right.
जो अच्छा एंकर है ना, वो human touch लाएगा. Why is Gaurav Kapoor so good? Gaurav Kapoor is so good because he knows how to attack एकदम से at the drop. वो कुछ सीरियस बात हो रही है, वो देख रहा है, फटाक से वो कुछ अंदर ले आएगा, वो कहेगा अबे हाँ मैंने भी यही सोचा था. You know, he'll bring on those kind of angles.
Right.
He'll suddenly open up the other people, and then he'll go back to it. So all, yeah.
Yeah. I think
you don't have an opinion. You shouldn't have an opinion. But you should definitely know how to enhance the others' opinion who are coming on your show.
Right. But like that's what something which I really, even in the beginning when I mentioned कि मैं क्यों वो शो बैठ के देखा भी कुछ टाइम तक, क्योंकि वो ह्यूमन टच जो है ना, so there was a communication which was happening to the viewers, and I think yours is the role to mediate it and to kind of present it, right? So
yeah.
I think that is really amazing to get to know that कि there is still that human quality, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बस सब गणित को चल रहा है. So अब थोड़ा I think I want to get a personal, because आप sports खेले हो, you have like in this industry, तो जब आप even because you don't have an opinion but still you are working in that circuit where people are giving opinions and then you are enhancing them, तो क्या वो कभी कभार किसी पर्सनल लाइकिंग किसी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए या किसी प्लेयर के लिए या किसी टीम के लिए that affects you personally and then you kind of वो बीच मझधार में फंस गए यार कि ये थोड़ा आपने ज़्यादा बोल दिया?
It used to happen when I used to do a daily sports show, when they were trying to start India's very own sports center.
Okay.
It was called Star Power, I think the name of the show. So it had a half an hour show. It had a mix of everything, primarily dominated by cricket, of course. But you had football, you had various other things. So मुझे वो हर बार ही बोलते थे यार तू क्रिकेट पे बात करता है तो ऐसा लग रहा है. Suddenly football आता है, आँख खुल जाती है. You seem so awake, you seem so alive. This was the early days of me at Star. So you've always got to keep those personal biases out. It's all about energy and vibe, Rishabh. The point is there are a couple of no's that you, at least I follow. बेफजूल का opinion नहीं देना मैंने.
Okay.
Right? Opinion देने के लिए, like I started my own podcast on football. I do it with a friend of mine, and we get other players and all to come and talk about it. There we sit and chat. We give opinions. हम लोग धुलाई करनी है, फेडरेशन की धुलाई करते हैं. फेडरेशन ने हमें ब्लैकलिस्ट कर दिया है, हमसे बात नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि हम उतना उनकी बैंड बजाते हैं हमारे शो पे. And so it's a double-edged sword. So while the federation is saying, yeah, ये कौन है कहते, they're not towing the line, right? The other part is the people who are watching it, they love it. Because they're saying, ये तो खुल के बोल रहे हैं भाई, सच बोल रहे हैं. इनके मन में, you might not agree with me, it's a different thing, but I feel this way, so I'm saying it, right? So when you have a million of so many people, that's the beauty of a podcast. That's why I love podcasts, audio podcasts, video podcasts, where you're not bound by time. आधे घंटे का शो है तो जल्दी खत्म करो, फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड बन जाता है. पॉडकास्ट में 1-1.25 घंटा बंदा चले जा रहा है, लड़ाइयाँ हो रही हैं, हंसी मजाक चल रहा है, सब कुछ हो रहा है. And yeah, so that's
that's where मतलब I'm coming from. कि वो communication होगा ना तो वो क्या है, because there is a personal advantage कि I'm getting to know what I always had in my mind, मेरे वो सवाल जो घूम रहे थे इतने सालों से कि यार ये क्यों होता है, ये कैसे हुआ, आप लोग कैसे करते हो, कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हो, बिकॉज all these things are like going behind the scenes, and you
Yeah.
all मतलब as a inquisitive individual and a sports lover you have doubts ना यार ये क्यों हुआ था, और कहीं और मिलता नहीं है ये, तो ऐसे बात करने में क्या है, दिल से मतलब ऐसे खुल के मजा आता है। और आपने जैसे आपने ये चीजें बताई, तो अगेन लाइक नाउ व्हाट इज लाइक, मैं आपको बिहाइंड द सीन्स, वो जो मैंने वर्ड भी यूज इसी वजह से किया था, बिकॉज माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट ओनली, कि बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या चल रहा होता है, क्या सेटअप है ब्रॉडकास्टिंग का, ऑन फील्ड कमेंटिंग का,
सब्जी मंडी,
मशीनरी,
सब्जी मंडी होता है भाई।
नहीं लेकिन अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एनहांस हो गई है और इस तरीके से घुस गई है, तो मतलब टू बैलेंस आउट थिंग, तो क्या मतलब again like I'm fumbling.
So I feel the future of broadcasting, not entirely, is एक जो प्लेटफॉर्म जिस पे हम बात कर रहे हैं, ये माइक भाई साहब मैंने लगाया हुआ है, मैंने लाइट लगाया हुआ है सामने, भाई घर से काम करने का आदत डाल लो, क्योंकि जो बड़ा ब्रॉडकास्टर है, he will say, यार why do I need to make this kind of an expenditure for every show?
True.
So if it's a basic show which is coming on a weekly basis, and I can get 4 people to join in from their homes, I don't have to spend on the studio. I don't have to spend on the technical people who are there operating on the studio.
Right.
Why don't I just do this? Or I can get 2 into studio, but 2 का cost बचा दूंगा. I'll ask them to join me online.
Right.
So this is here to stay, sir. It's come for all the wrong reasons, right? कितनी लोगों ने अपनी जानें गंवाई हैं, whatever. It's come for all the wrong reasons, but it is definitely here to stay. Whether it be broadcast or anything going forward. Star Sports has already started. They've started commentating from home. So
right.
कोई अपने घर में मुंबई में बैठा है, कोई बैंगलोर में बैठा है. Both of them are on one platform, and they're sitting and commentating on a game that's coming to you from Qatar.
Right.
Right. So you pick and choose. I'm not saying gone are the days of studios.
Right.
They're there. They will very much be there. Nothing can match the energy of a stadium. So if you see me standing and doing a show in a stadium, you would love watching it because the energy is there.
Right.
All of that comes on. So that won't go away, but this has definitely come into it. And people will generally look, because budgets are huge. They're spending a lot of money on these things. So if you found a way of how to cut costs, and the essence of the conversation still remains, then why would you not change it? So in that sense, yeah, this is there. In fact, another footballer was asking me right now, भाई कौन से mic को खरीदूं? मैंने कहा भाई, if you have ambitions of podcasting and commentating, घर पे अच्छा setup थोड़ा invest कर लो. Because आवाज अच्छी नहीं आएगी ना, तो फिर आपको कहेंगे क्या बकवास हो रहा है.
वो quality.
So you have to invest in it. Yeah, the quality needs to be there to do that. But and with regards to what you were saying, ki what is a broadcast like? It is actually like a sabzi mandi and a machli ka bazaar. It's called a PCR. It's called a production control room.
Okay.
Where say for 1 घंटे का शो है, तो वो वहाँ से कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. तो एक बंदा ग्राफिक्स पे बैठा है, एक है डायरेक्टर who's cutting the shots, who's cutting the different angles, right? एक है producer who's making sure the flow जो उसने बनाया है शो का, that is being followed. Or if something new is coming, तो how is he adding all of that? एक है light वाला, एक है, there's so many other people. There were 7 people doing their jobs, and बीच में director is king, right? So if something goes wrong, director तो इनको गालियां दे रहा है. कभी कभी वो मेरे कान में भी आ रही है वो आवाज, तो यहाँ पागलपन चल रहा होता है, यहाँ पे लाइक यू नो बम 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 चल रहा होता है, पर यहाँ पे हाँ जी अच्छा, बड़ा अच्छा खेले वो. Is that kind of scene? So how you balance that is key. It can throw off so many people. So what I generally do is sometimes I want the noise, because if I don't get noise, I feel like यार ये इतना सुस्त शो क्यों चल रहा है. So मेरे को थोड़ा noise दो, थोड़ा energy चाहिए अपने को. कभी कभी I don't want it, where I just want the producer. And if it's all about relationship and trust. So if the producer has worked with me, both of us has worked with each other, and the producer trusts me, then the producer will barely say a few words. He said, okay, Arjun, next. Right? Because then you're giving me the option to hear what they're saying and bounce off whatever they're saying, picking up what they're saying and have a conversation. Right? But if it's a producer doesn't trust me, say, acha Arjun, okay, one, okay, now move on, let's move on. Just imagine if someone's talking like this to me in my ear, and I'm having a conversation with you from the other ear, I'm bound to miss a lot of things that you're saying.
True, that is true.
Yeah. It was tough. Like a mixture of these two. क्रिकबज़ में जब IPL कर रहे थे
हाँ
लास्ट सीजन, तो इस पे किया है
हाँ
उनका एक और प्लेटफॉर्म
हमने
था
देखा है
एंड
हाँ
उसमें उसमें लैग आता है, ये वो आता है. So initially it was tough because आप जोक मारो, गंदा लैग, there's silence, so you start saying अरे ये तो चला ही नहीं भाई,
चला ही नहीं
and so
जोक
it
और
looks
वो
awkward, you know.
हाँ
So, and your people are talking over each other. So that's and funny story when they were trying to CricBuzz helped set up, उन्होंने माइक वाइक सबके लिए सबके घरों में भेजा, तो उन्होंने ये अंदाजा नहीं लगाया था कि ये लोग इतने अनपढ़ होंगे टेक्नोलॉजी के मामले में. I remember कि they were doing trial runs, so there was me, Ajay bhai, there's Veeru bhai and me, and we are asking simple questions like अच्छा ये control alt delete से क्या होगा अब, अच्छा ऐसे तो then they saying sir वो आपके ऊपर एक बटन है उसको दबाइए, अच्छा अच्छा ऐसे है, तो वो setup करके they finally fixed it and हो गया, चल गया.
good to go. So again, jumping back on to the current scenario where I think you are covering India versus Sri Lanka series with Tony.
Yes.
Any thoughts on that? Like all together एक टीम
पिटाई
वहाँ खेल रही है, एक टीम हमारी यहाँ खेल रही है.
हाँ,
तो एक तो
it's the
ये पहला
future.
थॉट ये हो गया कि
हाँ.
हम अब इतने बड़े हैं गेम के अंदर, और दूसरा हाउ डू यू लुक एट दिस Rahul Dravid being the coach?
यार I don't know if I agree with you in saying हम उतने बड़े हैं because this is come courtesy of a reflection of the times you're living in. They have
Okay.
gone to England to play World Test Championship and then so as to avoid बेफजूल का quarantine and coming in, coming out. They said, okay, you stay there. And I honestly, I don't have any qualms with it because Sri Lanka is way behind. I know
Right.
Rana Tunga has come out with criticism saying, how can you agree to play with a B-rung Indian team? But if you look at this team, this is not a B-grade Indian team. This team can
Right.
give any team in the world a run for their money. Not even run for their money. They can beat them hollow if they want. This is that sort of a team. You look at it. There is no weak link कि मतलब ये कौन आ गया international level पे.
True.
All of them are proven guys at that level. So I am looking forward to it because you know, when the big boys are not there, like you saw in Australia, I feel the vibe is very different. I feel the players are a lot more open. The players are a lot more free to express themselves.
Right.
And thereby, to have someone like Rahul Dravid, who understands development, right? There's a big difference between understanding results and playing for development. This tour is not for a result. This tour is for development, sir. Development for the coming end of the T20 World Cup, right? जो आपका खेला जाएगा UAE और तो वो उन्होंने बड़ा साफ बोल देना है कि भाई खेलो अपना गेम. और जो हम बात कर रहे थे ना एक्सप्रेस का, ये T20 में बहुत होता है क्योंकि T20 में it's a role oriented game. So someone is coming in and he might be going hut right at the beginning and he might lose his wicket on the third ball. So we at home might say अबे क्या गधा है, थोड़ा टाइम तो ले लेता. But that is probably the role he's been sent in and the job he's been sent in to do. So the more balls you take and not scoring runs, you are in fact hurting the team more.
Right.
As opposed to going in there, second ball गए, ball wicket गए, कोई बात नहीं, wicket चली गई, दूसरा बंदा आया, he can start off again from that. So if you remember last to last IPL, Robin Uthappa was playing for KKR. This was one of those games before the playoff and they needed to win that game. And he just couldn't get back to ball. He just couldn't get back to ball. So everyone is saying, just give your wicket or get out so that someone else can come in, right? So that way, if you eat up balls in this format, na, that hampers your team a lot more. So it's really role specific. मेरे तो सर के ऊपर से जाता है कभी-कभी. इतने ज़्यादा tactics इस format में use होते हैं.
It's been 8 years since the last ICC trophy. We all were very excited for this one. I did some videos and interacted with people, suggested the teams and all. What do you feel? यार ये चीज lack कर रहा है यार, या ये कुछ हो गया ये? Because to me, I'll be honest and I'll be completely blunt here कि इस championship से पहले तक I was like okay, होता है. But I was giving a leeway. Yeah, ठीक है यार, नहीं ठीक है, this goes wrong या that goes wrong. But somehow the other day I was sitting and when we lost, and it hit me because as a cricket fan, it's like, dude, it's been 8-9 finals, both men, women, under 19. आप क्या कर रहे हो? पूरे टूर्नामेंट में you raised the bar there कि dude हम हारेंगे ही नहीं. और the most crucial match, and then like all the dreams of holding that.
See, so when they look at, when you sit and reanalyze these things, you don't look at it like कि हम 8 साल से फाइनल नहीं खेल पा रहे या जीत नहीं पा रहे. I know वो बाहर से हमें लगता है कि यार अबे अब तो जीत के आओ, अब तो जीत के. When they will sit back and look at that game, because cricket has become so process oriented, and you get the best out of every process when you really minute every process. हर चीज को छोटे-छोटे compartments में डालो. So you'll say क्या हुआ? You'll say that 20-minute spell जब विकेटें गिरी, right? विकेटें गिरी. What happened there? The application was not right. So it's time to go back to the nets and work on that application. Whatever the ball was moving. आपको, I know whatever Arman you might have had before this World Test Championship. At the back of my mind, I always knew that New Zealand are top. Sir, cricket is such a conditions-based game.
True. That is
a team that's played 2 competitive tests. You've been in Southampton, but you haven't played a competitive game. You've played practice games versus yourself, right? Now it's because of the pandemic. It's not because you couldn't organize something like this or whatever. Right? But it happens. And I kind of agree with what both the coach and the captain are saying, that if you want a final of this magnitude, where you're saying test cricket is the pinnacle of the game, and I kind of agree with them, then it should be a best of 3. It shouldn't be a one-off final. If all your series building up to the final are 5 games, 4 games, 3 games, then why should the final be 1 game, भाई?
1 game.
मैं तो ये समझ नहीं पाया. आप इसको 3 गेम का करो. और ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आपके कैलेंडर भरा हुआ है अभी वो IPL आ गया, वो बिकॉज वो लड़ झगड़ के जो भी हो रहा है, तो IPL अभी आ रहा है, it's chock a block. But I'm sure you can take out a window where you have at least a 3 test final between these two, a series. Series decides that. If all throughout the World Test Championship window you played series to win points, suddenly in the final, why are you playing a game? It seems a little bizarre. So, but it's the first time they're trying to give context to the game. But to answer your question, I don't think they'll get too baffled by not winning it here. You always look back at the minute, small little things. The thing is, you're all there. आप हो तो वहाँ पे. कुछ लोग तो हैं वो पहुंचते भी नहीं है. So the thing is, वो switch बदलने में ज़्यादा टाइम लगता नहीं है. एक खाते में आएगा तो फिर जीत सकते हैं. Because I honestly don't think T20 World Cup हम जीतने वाले हैं. I don't think so. T20 World Cup historically, other than the first one, we've never really imposed.
Never really. But I think 2014 and 16, 14 we were in finals and 16 we were in semis. So वो मतलब.
But you were always questioning their approach to 2020 cricket, right? It's only now in these last year or two that they decided कि ये भाई ये शिखर धवन और रोहित शर्मा 10वीं ओवर तक बैठेंगे वाला अप्रोच नहीं चलता है सर.
नहीं चलेगा.
T20 cricket is about going slam bang for those 120 balls, right? So आपने बॉलें खानी नहीं है वहाँ पे बेफजूल की. आपने वो you have to maintain that run rate of 10, 9, 8 kind of run rate and move it forward. You can't have that luxury like ODI cricket. Ki save your wicket, then we'll go. So they've realized that. Even someone like a Virat Kohli, who generally in T20 cricket prior to a year and a half or 2 back, would come take 10 balls, 11 balls, get set, and then he would accelerate and catch up. But now, second, third ball, boom, 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 they're starting. So, I feel like we're not the pioneers in 2020 cricket, even though we have the world's biggest league and the IPL and all. But as far as an international team, I don't know if we will win it or not. Though it's a little far away.
Right. So yeah, that's the end. And thank you very much, sir, to come on the show.
You're welcome, Rishabh.
Talking to us with such zeal and openness. मुझे genuinely अच्छा लगा. That's why it got extended. कि मैं पूछ लूँ, वो last सवाल मैंने बताया था नहीं. So thank you for that, and I hope you also have enjoyed this conversation and whatever we are doing with the Olympics page. So it'll be great, and we'll try to.
I wish you. Certainly, man. I wish you all the very best to all the people, you and everyone who's running the page, and I hope you guys grow. सोशल मीडिया की एक चीज है भाई, हर दिन लगा रहना होता है, उसमें कोई ऑफ डे नहीं होता. उसमें नॉन स्टॉप कंटेंट, नॉन स्टॉप कुछ ना कुछ निकालना होता है. हमारे जैसे फॉसिल जो है, हमारा फुटबॉल का है, बट वी बीन सो स्लो बिकॉज हम पुराने ख्यालात वाले लोग हैं. अबे अब मैच आएगा तब बात करेंगे, तो बीच का जो पीरियड है खाली छोड़ते हैं हम. यू कांट. सोशल मीडिया एवरी डे, ट्वाइस अ डे इन फैक्ट,
engagement lose हो जाती है.
100%. But yeah, I mean, you right at the start of the show, you said you know what you want. You know what you want to put
And
out. So that's half the battle won.
I think, and I like to believe that, you know, whatever conversation we had and whatever we are trying to reach out with, you know, the content perspective to the users and to the viewers, वो उन तक पहुंचे. और my faith in the idea is कि अगर मैं एक सोच के साथ हम लोग we started off with this conversation, even if it is being watched by 1, 2, 20 or 100, but the crux should be there यार, वो core should remain. Otherwise, if I start doing what the other pages or the other channels are doing, then मतलब वो जो अब, you know, you were mentioning again and again that you have to be honest to the craft. You have to be honest to what you're doing, and we would like to imbibe that from you and continue with that. Thank you very much. Totally. And I hope everyone is fine at safe at your end. This pandemic ends soon, and
thank you so much for asking.
हम लोग जल्दी स्टेडियम में आपको देखें. And now I can see you, and you can go back to your daughter and play with her.
I have to. अभी जाके मुझे खेलना है.
All the goodness to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Rishabh. All the very best. Thank you.